Too often, cooperative learning in the classrooms looks like this. Students sitting side by side at a table, talking with each other as they work on their individual assignments. Or one student doing all the work on an assignment and others signing their names. Meaningful cooperative learning involves structuring classes or assignments around small groups that work together in such a way that each group member's success is dependent on the group's success. There are many benefits to cooperative learning. Students who engage in cooperative learning learn significantly more, remember it longer, and develop better critical thinking skills. Students who are learning cooperatively are more active participants in the learning process. They are more likely to make friends in class, and they have more self-esteem. Webquests are a great way to promote cooperative learning. They can be used in classrooms with a limited number of computers or those with laptops or tablets for each student. So how can teachers use Webquests and cooperative learning to achieve these outcomes for their students? Let's first look at what makes up good cooperative learning. Felder and Brandt identify 5 elements that cooperative learning should include. The first element is positive interdependence. Team members should need to rely on one another to achieve the goal or complete the assignment. If even one team member fails to do their part, the entire team suffers the consequences. The second element is individual accountability. Each student in the group is not only accountable for their own share of the work, but also for learning all the material required to complete the work. The third element is face-to-face promotive interaction. Although some work can be completed individually, some work must also require working interactively with the group, providing feedback and encouragement. The fourth element is appropriate use of collaborative skills. Each member helps their teammates achieve their goal and complete their individual tasks by representing different skills and forms of knowledge. By cooperating with teammates, they collaboratively build a learning product. The fifth and last element is group processing. Students reflect on their team's work and their interactions to determine what worked well and what can be improved upon. So how can teachers combine these elements into a successful Webquest? Webquests are really well suited to lessons which require higher level of thinking skills and are ideal for practicing cooperative learning. One approach is to create lessons which covers a range of domains where group members can work together to build a comprehensive picture of the topic being studied. For example, a Webquest on the topic of the last recession. Students can approach the topic from a number of perspectives: the economic and cultural consequences, political fallout, impact on population and housing trends, and so on, to get a unique and comprehensive view of the impact of the recession on their lives. This is just one way in which teachers and students can use Webquests to reap the benefits of cooperative learning.